Okay, so let's start solving. So the function f of x is defined in these three ways. We have to determine the value of p if possible so that the function is continuous at x is equal to half. Okay, so first let us see the value of function at x less than half, and on applying a limit of x tends to half, this part will become 1 minus sine pi by 2. Sine pi by 2 is 1, so that is 1 minus 1, so 0. And cos 2 pi x will become cos pi, that's minus 1, and then 1 minus 1 is 0. So it is in the indeterminate form, and let's check for this as well. So when x is equal to half, this will become 1 minus 1, so this will become 0, then 0, and then root 4 is 2, 2 minus 2 is 0. So this is also in 0 by 0 form. So let's apply the limits. So this is limit as x tends to half of 1 minus sine pi x upon 1 plus cos 2 pi x. So let's replace x everywhere by half plus h, and the reason for doing that is now we can write limit as h tends to 0, and then it will become 1 minus sine pi, then x will become half plus h upon, it is 1 plus cos 2 pi into half plus h. Okay. Now if you observe this term, it is basically pi by 2 sine of pi by 2 plus pi h. So we know that sine pi by 2 plus theta is cos theta, so that will become 1 minus cos pi h, and divide that by 1 plus. Now observe this term, it will be cos of pi plus 2 pi h. So cos of pi plus theta is minus cos theta, so this will become, this is negative, so that is minus cos of 2 pi h. So we know how to solve such problems, right? We divide and multiply by theta square. So doing that, this is pi h square upon pi h square and 2 pi h square upon 2 pi h square. So the limit is as h tends to 0. We know the formula for limit as a tends to 0, 1 minus cos a upon a square. It is half. So this and this will become half. This and this will become half, and half will cancel each other out. Pi h square will cancel out with pi h square, and finally we are left with just 1 by 4. So this is the first part of the problem. X is less than half, so this is the negative limit, so it is 1 by 4. Now for the positive limit, let's solve that. Now we have to find out the limit of this. We have already seen that this is 0 by 0 form when x tends to half. So let's rationalize the denominator. So we'll have to multiply by, it's under root of it's under root of 4 plus root of 2x minus 1 plus 2, and again 4 plus root of 2x minus 1 plus 2. Now you can clearly see that this will become 4 plus under root in the denominator I am writing right now, and then minus 4. So this 4 and this 4 will cancel out, and this will cancel out with this. So now basically we are left with just this term. Now substituting x equal to half over here, this will become 0, and under root of 4, that is 2, plus 2. So this value, the limit of this will become 4. Now you can see that the positive limit and the negative limit of the function is not equal. So the function cannot be continuous at x is equal to half. So p will not have any value. The value of p is not possible.